Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mindful Willow Creative Art and Mindful Living channel. Today I will be demonstrating a mindful art activity for kids. We will be creating positive affirmation cards. You can create these with children of all ages. I am making these for my son. For children who cannot write yet, you can write the affirmations on the cards and then they can have fun decorating them. I am so happy you all can join me. Now let's get started. Here are the materials you will need. Cardstock or cue cards, plain white glue or glue stick, glitter pens or traditional glitter, markers, pencil crayons. You can also use pastels. I'm using rubber stamps to decorate. If you don't have any of these, you can use other embellishments or stickers as well. I've chosen a variety of stickers here. I have some dragonfly, some Paw Patrol, superheroes, anything your children may like. And last but not least, the collage cutouts. So I've chosen some words as well as some images, some stars, trees, and airplanes. So let's begin. First off, we need to choose our affirmations. I have provided a free resource of 30 positive affirmations as a guide at the Mindful Willow group page. The link is included in the description below. You and your child can choose which affirmations resonate with you and write them on the cards. I will be writing the affirmations on the cards for my son as he is too young to write. So once you have completed this step, we can move on to choosing any collage cutouts. Cutting out images from old magazines is a very mindful activity, and kids love to do this. If they are too young to use scissors, you can pre-cut the images, as I have done here. As you sit with your child or children, you can prompt them to reflect on the affirmations they have chosen. For example, I am brave. You can then ask, tell me about a time when you were brave. Or, I am good at sharing. You can ask, what do you enjoy sharing with your friends? And lastly, I have many gifts and talents. Prompt your child to describe one of their special talents and why they enjoy it. As you engage in this mindful art activity, you can really appreciate and enjoy the time spent with your child. You can feel a sense of purpose that you are teaching them a valuable life skill and encouraging their creativity at the same time. So this activity is all about self-expression, right, Patty?
Yeah.
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to start with your stickers?
Yeah.
Which one did you want to put on?
This.
This one?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Superman.
I think it's Superman.
Yeah.
Okay, you put him on. Is he brave?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And monkey got.
Says, I am brave. Okay, you choose another one.
And this.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Monkey got sweets.
Good job.
Monkey got
More stickers?
sweets.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Which one do you want? That one? Okay.
Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this.
Now we will do our glitter, right?
Yeah.
You take the lid off. Good.
And then this.
Okay. Do you know how to do it? You have to squeeze it. Squeeze it onto the paper. See?
Ray and Mom.
Good. Okay, do some more. Do some pretty designs. Nice. Good
Oh.
job. Why don't we do some on this side?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And Mom.
Very nice.
And Mom.
Okay. All right, do you want to use the glue stick?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, this one.
So you need to put the glue on here.
Yeah.
Can you do it? Put the glue on here. Good. Get it right from the top here. Great. Okay, I'll put the glue on and you can shake the glitter. Okay? Can you help opening it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now you're gonna shake it all over the card.
Yeah.
Okay? Great job.
This.
Keep going. Shake, shake, shake. Good. Would you like a different color? Would you like to do some orange?
Yeah.
Okay, close the lid on that one. Close up the lid. Good.
Yes.
And there's the orange. Let's add some orange.
Done.
Very nice. It's all done. Shall we shake it off and see how it looks?
No, Mom.
You want more?
Mom.
How about green? Do you want some green?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
No green? More orange?
I'm done orange.
You're done with the orange?
Yeah.
Okay.
Green.
Like this. There we go. Why don't we turn it so we can get some glitter on this part? So now we'll add some glitter. Put some glue first.
Neighbors.
Great. What color is this one? What color is the glitter? What color is the glitter?
Green.
Green. Very nice.
Done.
Done.
No.
Wow. That Looks beautiful.
Done.
Done.
No.
All right. Can you close the lid?
No.
No?
Done.
Done. Very nice. Shall we shake it off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pick up the card. Pick up the card and shake off the glitter. Watch, like this one. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna have to let that dry, right?
Hmm?
Can you shake off this one? We'll pick it up. Shake it off. Wow. Very nice. Great job. Did you have fun?
Yeah. B.
All right, let's close the lid. We need to save some glue or glitter for later.
No. Yuck. I'm done.
You done now?
Oh.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
We don't want to waste all the glitter because we need some for our next project, right?
Oh no, on my ends, on my ends. And it.
Thank you so much for joining me today. Affirmations are truly a beneficial practice for children and adults. We can teach children to use affirmations to improve their well-being, boost self-esteem, and encourage creative thinking. I hope you are inspired by this mindful art tutorial. Please comment below on your personal experience creating these affirmation cards with your little ones. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and join the Mindful Willow group on Facebook, where you can find the free resource of 30 positive affirmations for kids that you can use for this mindful art activity. The creative light in me honors the creative light in all of you. Namaste.